I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, cadets. Let's have a melodious Monday. Lunes melodioso. Have a great day.
Good morning, Frederick High School. It's Mrs. Green, and we're here today with today's daily trivia question. What does antipasto literally mean? Is it against pasta, small snacks, for your appetite, or before the food? As always, drop your answer in the box below, and we will let you know the answer tomorrow.